Hello all, welcome to my channel Winning Speech number 1. Today we are talking about speech on Health Day. Speech on Health Day. Health is our true wealth. Good morning everyone. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April every year. It is organized by the World Health Organization, commonly known as WHO. This day reminds us to take care of our health. The theme for 2025 is My Health, My Right. Everyone has the right to clean water, good food, and proper health care. Being healthy means feeling good in body and mind. We should eat healthy food and exercise daily. Let us stay clean and avoid bad habits. On this day, let's promise to live a healthy life. Thank you. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.